Plants. Plants are very important for life on Earth. They are all around us, in gardens, forests, parks, and homes. Plants give us oxygen to breathe, food to eat, and even help clean the air. Without plants, life on our planet would not be possible. There are many different kinds of plants, and each one is special in its own way. One of the most common types of plants is trees. Trees are tall plants with thick trunks and branches. They have leaves that change colors in the fall and grow back in the spring. Trees are very important because they produce oxygen. They take in carbon dioxide, a gas that is not good for us, and turn it into oxygen, which we need to live. Trees also provide shade and help cool the environment on hot days. Flowers are another type of plant. Flowers are beautiful and come in many different colors, like red, yellow, pink, and blue. They grow in gardens, parks, and even wild places like fields and forests. Flowers are not just for decoration. They play an important role in the life cycle of plants. They attract bees and other insects, which help the plants grow by spreading pollen. This process is called pollination. Grass is a plant that covers the ground in many places. It is green and soft. People grow grass in their yards, and we often see it in parks and fields. Grass is important because it helps prevent the soil from washing away when it rains. It also makes the environment look beautiful and fresh. Many animals, like cows and horses, eat grass as their main food. Another common type of plant is the bush. Bushes are smaller than trees but bigger than flowers. They often grow in groups and have many branches and leaves. Bushes are used to make gardens look nice, and some bushes also produce fruits like berries. They can grow in different climates and are easy to take care of. Cactus plants are very different from most other plants. They grow in dry places like deserts. Cacti have thick stems that store water because it does not rain much in the desert. They also have sharp spines instead of leaves. These spines protect the cactus from animals that might want to eat it. Cacti are strong plants that can survive in hot, dry conditions. Ferns are another interesting type of plant. They grow in shady places, usually in forests or near rivers. Ferns do not have flowers or seeds like many other plants. Instead, they have small, curled leaves that slowly open as they grow. Ferns are very old plants. They have been on Earth for millions of years. They add a soft, green touch to the places where they grow. Vines are plants that climb on other plants, walls, or structures. They have long, flexible stems that can wrap around things to support themselves as they grow. Some vines have flowers, while others produce fruits like grapes. Vines are often used to decorate buildings or gardens because they grow quickly and cover large areas with green leaves. Plants are also important for food. Many of the foods we eat come from plants. Fruits like apples, oranges, bananas, and berries grow on trees, bushes, and vines. Vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and lettuce come from the ground. Grains like rice and wheat, which we use to make bread and pasta, also come from plants. Plants provide most of the food we eat every day. Herbs are a special type of plant used in cooking and medicine. Some common herbs include basil, mint, and rosemary. People grow herbs in gardens or in pots inside their homes. Herbs add flavor to food and are used in teas, soups, and many other dishes. Some herbs are also used to make medicines because they have healing properties. Some plants produce flowers, while others produce fruits or seeds. Seeds are important because they help plants grow. When a seed is planted in the soil, it begins to sprout and grow into a new plant. Seeds come in many shapes and sizes. Some seeds, like sunflower seeds, are small, while others, like coconut seeds, are very big. Seeds need water, sunlight, and soil to grow into healthy plants. Plants need sunlight to make their food. This process is called photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants use sunlight to turn carbon dioxide and water into food. This food helps the plant grow strong and healthy. Without sunlight, plants cannot make food and will not grow. Water is also very important for plants. They need water to stay alive. Plants get water from the soil through their roots. The roots are like straws that take in water and send it to the rest of the plant. In places where it does not rain often, people water their plants to keep them healthy. If plants do not get enough water, they will dry up and die. The soil is the ground where plants grow. Good soil is full of nutrients that help plants grow. Different types of plants need different kinds of soil. Some plants, like cacti, grow well in sandy soil, while others, like vegetables, need rich, dark soil. Farmers often add fertilizer to the soil to help plants grow better and produce more food. Some plants grow in water. These are called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants grow in ponds, lakes, and rivers. They help keep the water clean by absorbing harmful substances. Some aquatic plants, like water lilies, have beautiful flowers that float on the surface of the water. Other plants, like seaweed, grow underwater and are an important food source for fish and other animals. Plants also play an important role in the environment. They help prevent soil erosion, which happens when wind and water wash away the top layer of soil. Plants hold the soil in place with their roots. They also help filter water by absorbing rain and reducing flooding. In cities, trees and other plants help reduce pollution by cleaning the air. Plants take in harmful gases like carbon dioxide and release clean oxygen. Plants provide homes and food for many animals. Birds build their nests in trees, and many insects live in plants. Animals like rabbits, deer, and insects eat plants for food. Without plants, many animals would not have food or shelter. In addition to providing food and shelter, plants are also used by people for many other things. Wood from trees is used to build houses, furniture, and paper. Cotton plants are used to make clothes. Many medicines come from plants, and some plants are used to make natural dyes for coloring fabrics. Plants are also important for our mental health. Studies show that spending time in nature and around plants can help reduce stress and improve our mood. Many people enjoy gardening because it helps them relax and feel peaceful. Having plants in our homes and offices can also make us feel happier and more connected to nature. In conclusion, plants are essential to life on Earth. They give us oxygen, food, and shelter. They help keep the environment clean and provide homes for many animals. Without plants, our world would not be as beautiful or healthy. It is important to take care of plants by planting more trees, protecting forests, and growing gardens. By doing this, we can ensure that plants continue to thrive and support life on our planet.